Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to hide or show the experience gaining in Dying Light the Beast. In the start you have to open the settings by using the O button on your keyboard, or just move your mouse over here and press options. Now select the HUD settings, and in player tab you can see the last option. It is XP Gain. This is visible in the upper left section on the screen anytime you earn the experience points, so you can switch it off if you don't like seeing the XP you gain, or you can switch it on if you are the player like me that likes seeing the numbers everywhere and how much damage I made, how much XP I gain or gold. I'm just like this type of player, but if you want to see better in the game and you want to see the XP gain, then switch it off. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you again in the next videos.